Imagine this. The three biggest rivals in AI, OpenAI, Google, and Anthropic, companies fighting a multi-billion-dollar war for AI dominance, have suddenly started working together. And no, this is not about building something new. They're collaborating because they believe someone is trying to steal their intelligence. To understand this, you need to see just how competitive the AI race has become. These companies are not friends. OpenAI wants ChatGPT everywhere. Google is pushing Gemini into search and enterprise. Anthropic is aggressively growing Claude. Each one is spending billions of dollars on GPUs, on data centers, on research talent, on model training. Because whoever builds the best AI model could control the next generation of computing. Normally, these companies do everything they can to outcompete each other. So what is happening this week is very unusual. Reports say the companies are now sharing threat intelligence. Through the Frontier Model Forum, an AI industry body they co-founded, they're coordinating to detect and stop attempts at copying their models. So what is the threat they're all so worried about? It's called model distillation. Here's how it works. Imagine spending $100 million. Huge compute clusters, years of research, all to train an advanced AI model. Then another company comes along. They ask your model millions of questions, record all the answers, and use those outputs to train a cheaper competing model. That process is called distillation. This matters because training frontier AI models is insanely expensive. GPT-class models need enormous GPU clusters, specialized chips, massive datasets, top researchers. If a competitor can shortcut that process, they catch up much faster and cheaper. In simple terms, someone can learn from your AI without paying the full training cost. And according to recent reports, this isn't just about rival companies. US labs believe some Chinese AI firms have attempted large-scale extraction efforts against frontier models. That turns this from a business issue into a geopolitical one. The concern is no longer just, will competitors copy us? It's, will rival nations gain strategic AI capabilities using our work? This is being framed as a national security concern. So how are they fighting back? The companies are sharing threat signals to identify suspicious large-scale querying behavior, monitoring abusive usage patterns like mass prompt extraction, and improving safeguards to block automated scraping and misuse. Essentially, they're building anti-theft systems for AI. Think of it like Netflix detecting password sharing. Except instead of stolen accounts, they're trying to stop stolen intelligence. This could fundamentally reshape how AI APIs work in the future. We may see stricter rate limits, more monitoring, identity verification, watermarking of outputs, and hidden detection traps built right into model responses. The biggest takeaway here is this. When rivals stop fighting each other and start fighting someone else together, you know the stakes have changed. This shows the AI race is no longer just company versus company. It is becoming nation versus nation, ecosystem versus ecosystem. And perhaps the most fascinating part? The future of AI may not be decided by who builds the smartest model, but by who protects it best. Because in 2026, building intelligence is no longer enough. You now have to defend it. If you found this useful, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.